What's up mga papi? Happy Sunday! Kung runner ka and you're managing blood sugar like me, pansin mo ba ang epekto ng running? I usually do 5 to 6 kilometers. And one thing that I consistently observe is that bumababa ang blood sugar ko after running. So bakit nga ba? Because when you run, your muscles start using glucose as your fuel for energy. So instead na magstay sa blood mo yung glucose, nagagamit siya ng katawan natin. For me, especially pag steady lang yung pace, yung hindi masyadong mabilis yung takbo, mas stable yung effect. Hindi biglang crash, hindi rin biglang nag-spike. So anong benefit nun? Over time, your body becomes more insulin sensitive. Meaning, mas efficient ka ng mag-process ng sugar. Pero importante, syempre, don't run blindly. If you're taking meds or fasting, make sure you monitor your levels and of course listen to your body. Running is powerful, but it's even better if you do it smart. Yun lang. Happy Sunday! Run, 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 Arcovia! Hihi!